massive hailstorm hit the French capital Paris, causing widespread damage to properties and vehicles. The hailstorm, some of which were larger than the golf ball, powdered the city for about 13 minutes, leaving a trail of destruction in their wake. Eyewitnesses report hearing loud thundering sound of the hailstorms while causing panic of their remote residents. The hail damaged cars, shattering windows and torn off roof titles in several areas in the city. The storm also caused widespread power outage, leaving thousands of homes and businesses without electricity. The local authorities have deployed emergency service to assist the damage and provide assistance to affected communities, although no casualties have been reported. The full extent of the damage is yet not determined. This unusual weather event has raised concerns about the impact of climate change on the frequency of intense and some storms. Meteo France has declared an orange alert level. The department is currently being hit by the first storm. Meteo France has warned on increased winds and heavy rainfall in the southwest, as well as associational snowfall of the massive central as wind crosses the country from the southwest to the northeast.